Hi, I'm Mark Webster from vSure, and today we'll be talking about the 7 steps to ensure your organisation is work rights compliant. Work rights compliance is now an important business risk for employers. Getting this wrong can have operational consequences and affect the organisation's reputation. So how do you make sure that your organisation is work rights compliant? These 7 steps are a good start. Number 1, visa checking prior to employment. The immigration status of all staff should be checked as part of the recruitment process. For Australian citizens, an Australian passport, citizenship certificate or birth certificate may suffice. For all others, you'll need to collect passport details and do a visa check to verify work rights before the employee commences their employment. 2. Consent for visa checking. The Department of Home Affairs requires employee consent before visa checks can be done. Updating employee contracts is a good way of achieving this. 3. Work rights restrictions. Visa holders often have work restrictions. For instance, international students can only work for 20 hours per week in general, and working holiday makers can only work for 6 months with each employer. Any work restrictions need to be recorded and communicated to the payroll and rostering department to make sure they're complied with. 4. Expiry dates. Temporary visas are valid for only a fixed period of time. Around the expiry date, the employee should be contacted to verify their plans to extend their visa and a visa check done to ensure that the employee continues to have work rights in Australia. 5. Checking during employment. Employees may change immigration status during employment, so visa checks should be done at reasonable times during employment to make sure the employee can still work legally. This is especially important for bridging visa holders, whose visas may expire if a decision is made on their main visa application. 6. Keeping records. Good record keeping is essential to work rights compliance. Basic identity documents, i.e. passports or citizenship certificates, should be kept on file, as well as the results of any visa checks. 7. Auditing existing staff. Once the recruitment process is compliant, it's important to audit the visa status of all existing staff. Often the necessary documents to establish immigration status may not have been collected or obtained, so collecting these is the first step. Visa checks should then be done for any non-citizens and the above process implemented for them. vSure automates the work rights compliant process for employers. If you'd like some more information, please get in touch. I'm Mark Webster from vSure.